In this quick video, we will have a look at these camera privacy covers for webcam or phone or whatever. I get few here. These are cheaper ones, 10 pieces for I don't remember how much I paid. I think $3 or something. These are plastic, and the other ones, these are plastic and these are aluminum. These are more expensive, like one of these equal same price as all of these. So let's have a look and see if they are any good and which one is better. This one is silver. The cat is going crazy. Black and pink. There are many different types, so I just picked the more expensive one and the cheapest. These are pink, and the idea is you stick it on your camera and you slide this to cover the camera, so you get privacy if you don't trust Google, Apple or whatever, or Microsoft. And this is self-adhesive. You peel this plastic and you stick it. Same thing with this. Yeah, this is also aluminum. This is it's almost like a sharp edge, the groove here, and it's not easy to open and close. You have to use your fingernails. And this one is black. Very hard to open. So as you can see, the aluminum ones, even when you slide it, it's not smooth. This cover is not smooth when you slide it, so you feel like aluminum scratching another aluminum piece, and it's hard. Also this edge, I don't like this edge, it's sharp. While these, the plastic ones, the cheap ones, as you can see, it's very easy to move and it's very smooth. Of course there's a difference in design. This one has a circle while this one is like arch. I like this more, the cheap one, I mean the feeling. So the idea is to, like, for example, this is the camera here. After you peel it, I dropped one. After you peel it, you stick it like this and the camera will be visible. I'm not sure how good it's gonna be with the phone, but same thing with these. Of course you need a black one, but for demonstration I will use the pink one here. So these, they are on AliExpress. You can see 10 pieces for $3 with free shipping, or you can go more and it's even cheaper. They told me, but this is a webcam, so you can have it here. Let me use the other one, use this silver one, so it will be easier for you to see. You stick it like this and the camera is peeking from this hole. or you can use it with the Google Hub. Like so. Of course you have to do, I will use it this way, so I will not cover the sensor, so it will be like this. Okay, I will stick them on and show you. Okay, I have this one here. Okay, as you can see, if you want to close the camera, it will be like this, and if you want to open it, easy. I couldn't use it on the Google because this is a wide angle, and if I glue any of these, there will be a halo around the device. And this is a closer look under the microscope. This is the plastic one. I love it. Thank you for watching. Yeah, these new the aluminum ones are use this in my instance, so if you want to buy, I recommend the plastic ones, the cheap ones. Thank you for watching.